Good morning, children. Good morning. Kriti, good morning. We are going to start with different kinds of formal invitations today. We had already done wedding invitations and official school invitations. I've shared on the screen another invitation with you people. So we are going to do that as well. That day we did two types of invitations. We did wedding invitation and we did a formal school invitation. Today also, I'll be continuing with formal invitation also only, but a little different kind of a formal invitation. This is a business invitation. Once again to revise, I did two kinds of formal invitations. One was what? Wedding invitation. And the second one was a official school invitation. Now I'm taking up another invitation. I'm sharing it on the screen. Please see. This is a business formal invitation. Please see on the screen. Then I'm going to discuss with you. Please see with them. Just see the format. It's a card type format again. I told you that day also. Card means we're going to leave some space here and some space this side. So such kind of a format, what is it called? It's called as card format. Okay, this is known as a card format. Please see this. See it. Observe carefully and then we'll discuss how is it different from the other invitations which we had done earlier. What were the two kinds of invitations I discussed with you that day? One was a school invitation. Which was the second one, beta?
Wedding invitation.
Wedding invitation. So they were in a letter style or they were a card style?
Card style.
Card style.
When we say card style, it actually means what? Are we using the entire space available or we are leaving some space towards the left and the right?
We are leaving some space towards the left and right.
So it's not a letter. Okay, this is a simple card format. Such kind of a format is known as a card format. So we are writing invitations. We are continuing with formal invitations. Two types of invitations were already done that day. Wedding invitation. We don't have to write anything as of now. Nothing. Just observation and discussions. Writing part, we'll move on to it later. Please see this. This is again a formal invitation, but this is a business invitation. The Fantastic announces the opening of the sister concern Nancy Creation Kids Wear at 46 Chaurangi Lane, Kolkata. Inauguration, the date is given, the day is given to you. Okay, the date and day is given to you. Time is given and enjoy a discounted 20% during the first week. And this is coming from, this invitation is coming from whom? MS Fantastic. What does MS mean?
Messrs.
Messrs. What does Messrs mean, children? शेषा देखना रजनी आंटी का Messrs means a registered company. What does Messrs mean? A registered company. So we have this Vishal, very stylishly you've written your name. Please see this card, sample format. Which is the name of the main registered company here?
The Fantastic.
If you see, the name has been highlighted. Fantastic has been highlighted. It is different from the other words in the invitation. How is it different?
It's all the letters are in uppercase, and there it was in title case.
See, the entire word is written in capital letters. Very good. Now, if you move on, then the name of the shop, the new establishment is again what? Is again highlighted. See, it is Nancy Creations. Again, it is written in capital. Now we are telling the world what is Nancy Creations because we don't know what will be sold here. So they are specifying that it's kids wear. What is it? It is kids wear. These are the kind of formal business invitations. You can make it a little different. Can you tell me how you can make this invitation a little different? Anyone? You could have some famous celebrity inaugurating it over here. Inauguration by, yes, whom do you want? Yes, let's have inauguration by anyone famous person.
Manish Malhotra.
Okay, Manish Malhotra. Good selection because we are going for clothes. So good, we have selected the right person. So you can highlight the name of the celebrity also. Inauguration 19th October. You could have written it here. Like I would suggest don't take this separately as day Sunday. यहाँ पे लिखा करो. Inauguration. Don't write date and day. Don't write date, day, time. Please don't write all this. Simply write inauguration on Sunday, comma 19th October 20XX 10 a.m. onwards. Everybody knows this is date, this is day, this is time. So no need to write these words, date, day, time. Don't write this. So how will we write? Inauguration on 19th October 20XX, or first you should write weekday, Sunday, comma 19th October 20XX 10 a.m. onwards by, and then highlight the name of the person who is going to inaugurate. Then this is normally whenever we have a new organization coming up, they always offer a discount. Initial 1 week, 10 days, whatever discount you want to offer. So what are the changes we can do? We have to highlight the name of the organization, number one, highlight the name of the new thing that you are opening up. What is it going to sell? That data, address should be there. Inauguration on, simply weekday, dates, time, by, if you want to put a celebrity. If you don't want to put a celebrity, continue. And then if at all you are mentioning a discount, and then Messrs, who is the person who's sending this card? Messrs, fantastic. This is which kind of an invitation? Business invitation. What is it?
Business invitation.
We'll just see first. Read this. You are the secretary, alumni council, Saint Convent of Jesus and Mary Ambala. You have to draft a formal invitation to be sent to the old students of the school. You are Rakesh Rekha. Okay, see this. Alumni Council, Saint CGM. CGM in short, they have written for Jesus and Mary. Dear alumna, alumnus. Anybody knows what does this mean?
Former students.
Fine. They are former students, alumni. If you remember, in plural, we call them as alumni. Singular, alumnus. The 25th alumni meet of the CGM Ambala will be held on 25th December at Sirhind Club Ambala Cant. Full stop. All students along with their spouses are cordially invited to attend the same. Full stop. They're requested to reach at 6 p.m. in the banquet hall for dance and dinner. Please confirm your seats by sending rupees 2,000 to the undersigned. Rakesh, Secretary. Is it a card format, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Very good. It's not a card format. These are the people who are known to us. We are writing to the alumni. So we do not write it in a card form. See this now. See when you're the principal, GTB Public School, Yamunanagar. Your school is celebrating its golden jubilee. You have to draft an invitation to be sent to VIPs and parents. See this. Is it a formal card invitation or a normal one? Which
Formal
format
card.
is it?
Formal card invitation.
Card invitation. Good. You see some spaces left here. You see some spaces left here. The principal, staff, and students of, we've highlighted the name of the school. Cordially invite you to. We've again highlighted what is the occasion. Here, what is missing here? What should have been here? On.
Day.
Weekday.
Week.
Very good. The weekday should be there. On Sunday, 20th February 20XX. Avoid writing the years. Do not write 2019 or 2022, 20XX. School auditorium, Mr. YP Singh, we've highlighted the name of the chief guest. We have to write who is Mr. YP Singh, District Magistrate, Yamunanagar, has kindly consented to preside over the function and give away the prizes. If you remember last one I did, I told you please use this word kindly consented because it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
written will. If you remember, it was written will be the chief guest and will give away the prizes. I said, beta, this doesn't look nice. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the normal proper language that we should use. Please see this once again. This is institutional invitation card format. This is a card format. Please observe it carefully. You should know how to write invitations in the card format and different ones. Okay, just see it carefully. Why is this a card format?
Some spaces are left in the right and left margin.
We did the one where we were inviting the alumni. Was it a card format?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. So normally you should know if it's a card format, then how to write, and if it's a letter format, then how to. Seen, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm moving on to the next one. See. See what is written over here. Informal invitation letter format. If you're going for an informal invitation, is it the card format?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
For formal, very good. For formal invitations, card format. This is informal. So this is letter format. Please read it once. Then let's discuss the differences. Observe it, better read it. Just read it, observe, and we'll discuss the differences. Is it a formal or is it an informal invitation, beta?
Inform.
Informal. So, because we are going for informal, we are not using the card format. We have not left space on the left and right side of the margins. We started from extreme left and we are going towards the extreme right. What is such a format known as?
Letter form.
Because when we write a letter, we do not need space. We do not leave spaces like this. So the general thing, main difference is while writing a formal invitation, we go for which format?
Card format.
Card format.
And when you're writing an informal invitation, we will go for,
Letter
Format.
format.
and you know the difference now? See, one more difference I'm telling you now. Let me show you this. See the format. Here we are again writing the address of the person, sender's address, towards the left. The normal procedure which we follow for letters, informal letters. Okay. So this will be the name of the person who's sending the letter. Then your date will come over here, but we will not write this word date, D-A-T-E. This is not written. Simply write date. Okay, whatever is date, 14 June, 15th April. Don't write this, D-A-T-E. Now see, dear Mr. K.D. Jain, school is organizing its 30th annual function on 14 November. Kindly grace the occasion with your presence. Mr. J.S. Bedi, the brigadier, has kindly consented to be the chief guest and give away the prizes. It should have been Brigadier J.S. Bedi has kindly consented. Avoid using Mr. with these designations. Yours sincerely, the principal. So he is inviting him to be a guest of honor or something. Maybe he is a friend or somebody known to the principal. Okay, fine. Let's start now very quickly. Once again, we are going to draft a card now for a business invitation. This one we'll draft. You are going to open a salon, unisex salon. What is a unisex salon?
For both men and women.
Form.
Very good. Very good. For both men and Hanji beta. So you are going to start a unisex salon. Please plan your invitation. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. No need to write anything. If you want to call a celebrity, whom will you call? What would be the address? Plan opening a unisex salon. I'm giving you 2-3 minutes. Please plan it. Beta.
Mom, what if someone wants to send invitation for their own like this? They have written sister concerned, and there are 2 people.
No, there is no need. If you don't want to go for this, you start your own. No issues at all. Plan your own original thing. That no issues.
How that first line for that?
So you simply start like you must be having an organization. Huh? Maybe the name of the salon is something, and you have an organization. You can say ABC Infrastructure announces the opening of a unisex salon, and then the name of the salon. There must be some registered organization. You have to register yourself. Only then you can start a business venture. So that registered organization start with ABC Infrastructure, ABC Cosmetics, any name you can keep of yours. Whoever is planned, raise your hands. Let me see. Raise your hands if anyone is ready. Anyone? Let's see. Sakshi is ready. Sakshi, start beta. Others, please listen. You get new ideas. When you listen to different people, you'll get new ideas. So please listen. Yes, Sakshi, start beta.
Fashion Pixie announces the opening of a unisex salon at Sector 17, Blossom Street. Uh, Blossom Street at on 20th June 20XX, Friday at 6 p.m. Where do we write this chief guest?
Beta,
Conflict.
like you've written announces, you've started here. Whatever you said announces the opening of the unisex salon at Blooming Lane, whatever. Then you write inauguration. You've already given the date and time. By,
Yes.
no, simply write one letter, one word, by, and then highlight the name of the person who is going to inaugurate. By,
Okay. By Javed Habib.
perfect. Perfect one. So the time is
Enjoy.
what?
Time is 6 p.m.
6 p.m. onwards. What do we write? 6 p.m.
onwards.
onwards.
On-
Means it's going to start at 6 and then people can keep coming after that. 6 p.m. onwards. In such kind of invitations, it's always written 6 p.m. onwards. Okay, continue. Next, enjoy.
Enjoy a discount of 10% for 10 days.
10% discount for 10 days. Nice offer. Good. What will you write on the left hand side?
M is Fashion Pixie.
Very good. Very good, Sakshi. Too good. Who is coming up next? Nobody is interested in opening a unisex salon. Hurry up, open. Lot of demand these days. So much of money in this business. You don't want to open? Abhinav Pandey,
Yes, ma'am.
why don't you open? Chalo, bolo, start. Open. There's a lot of money in this business. Open, open. Start. How will we start, Abhinav? Abhinav Pandey, are you there or left? Hmm? Abhinav? Charlie, never mind. Drishti, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Uh, the fashion company announces the opening of the unisex saloon, stylish saloon at 57 Civil Lines, Bareilly. Inauguration on Sunday, 25th April 2020, 12 a.m. onwards. And then enjoy a discount of 10% during the first week. MS Fashion Company.
Very good, very good. See how nicely she could also plan. So it's good, beta. If you will try. If you'll try, you can certainly. Yes, beta. चलिए, let's do this. चलिए, see this, read very quickly. Let's frame one informal one. Informal invitation. You want to call the alumni for the annual function. So you don't need to ask for money and all that, but something like same. Let's have SR International. You are the head boy or head girl, and you call the alumni to attend the annual function. Plan an informal invitation. Card type or letter type?
Letter type.
Letter type.
Letter. Good. Plan it better. Planned, beta?
Just a minute.
Okay, take your time. This time I want more people to participate. See, beta, I'm not making you right also. Whoever is ready, just raise your hand. Again, Sakshi is ready. Sakshi, good. Start, beta.
Alumni Council, SR International School, Bareilly. Dear Alumni alumnus, the 11th alumni meet of SR International School, Bareilly, will be held on 29th May 20XX at the school amphitheater, Bareilly. Old students along with their spouses are cordially invited to attend the same. They are requested to reach at 5 p.m. in the ballroom for dance and dinner.
Good.
Then,
Very good. Continue.
then XYZ secretary.
Fine. Sakshi, beta, always mention the weekday also. Normally, the first thing we do when we get a wedding invitation is we look for it, whether it's a Saturday or a Sunday or what weekday it is. So we generally prefer that when you write the dates, write the weekday before. So repeat again. Come on, repeat it so that you know next time you remember to do it. Repeat, beta.
Alumni Council, SR International Bareilly, SR International School Bareilly, dear alumni alumnus, the 11th alumni meet of SR International School Bareilly will be held on Saturday, 29th May 20XX at the school amphitheater, Bareilly. Old students along with their spouses are cordially invited to attend the same. They are requested to reach at 5 p.m. in the ballroom for dance and dinner. XYZ secretary.
Good. Very good. So this is formal or this is an informal invitation, beta?
Informal.
Informal.
Informal. Good. So you'll write it in a letter format or you'll write it in a card format?
Letter format.
Letter format.
Letter format. I hope you know when you're writing, what is the difference between a letter format and a card format?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I have to, my youngest brother's birthday, and I have to draft an invitation to be sent to everybody, neighbors, friends, relatives, will I write formal or will I write an informal invitation?
Formal
Formal.
invitation.
Formal invitation. So will it go in the card format or it will go in the letter format?
Card
Card
format.
format.
Okay, perfect. And let us talk about it. Wedding of elder sister. If you have to draft a card, then formal or informal?
Formal.
Formal.
Okay. If you're planning a family get together, just all relatives coming together, family get together, we generally plan. So you will go for formal or informal invitation?
Informal.
Informal.
And would you use the card format or would you use the letter format?
Letter format.
Letter format.
So the first thing we need to do is we need to decide whether it's a formal invitation or it's an informal invitation. Accordingly, we'll see that what has to be done. Should we use a letter format or should we go for a card format? One last thing to be done today is this. Here, no need to write this phone number and program over leave. Don't write all this. Okay. And let's start this. In place of Golden Jubilee, make it Sports Day, annual Sports Day. Select somebody yourself as the chief guest. Plan it quickly in 2 minutes. SR International School only. Then we'll have annual sports day. Decide the day, date yourself, everything. Who's going to be the chief guest? That also you decide yourself. And there's no need to write this program overleaf, phone number. Don't write all this. Chali beta, take another 2 minutes, plan it quickly. Whoever is ready can raise their hand. This is the last thing we are going to plan today.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, please start. Good.
Principal, staff, and students of Isar International School, Bareilly cordially invite you to the annual sports meet on 19th November 2086. Sorry, on Sunday, 19th November 2086, in the school ground. Miss Sakshi Malik, Olympic bronze medalist, has kindly consented to preside over the function and give away the prizes. Principal.
Very good. See, appropriate selection of the chief guest. If it is a salon, then it was Javed Habib. If it's sports day, she's picked up a sports person, a sports personality, Sakshi Malik, and given details about it. Like we had district magistrate, she gave the details about Sakshi Malik. Okay.